Meaning of gene pool.
Gene pool.
Gene pool.
Gene pool.
Gene pool. The term gene pool refers to the collection of all the genetic information, or genes, within a population of individuals. Essentially, it encompasses the total genetic diversity of a group of organisms and represents the raw material upon which natural selection acts. Changes in the gene pool can occur due to factors such as mutation, migration, genetic drift, and natural selection. Understanding the gene pool is important in fields such as evolutionary biology and population genetics, as it provides insights into the genetic makeup of populations and how they may evolve over time.